Are you looking for the best Hvlp spray gun for woodworking? Here we will break down the top 5 Hvlp spray gun for woodworking on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Wagner 05188080 Hvlp spray gun. Wagner is one of the popular names in paint, and it definitely can be trusted to paint and/or stain some wood. This spray gun equipped with 2 different air filters, which means every time you spray, you get a nice and even finish every time. The flow of liquid is certainly clean and smooth. Also, this sprayer has 2 spray patterns, horizontal and vertical. The flow control knob is adjustable. The larger paint cup is 1.5 quarts. The metal cup is 1 quart, and you can choose which one you want to work with, depending on your liquid. However, every part of the spray gun is detachable, and the cord is rather short, which will force you to take more time painting or staining each section. Well, the effort is there to make this a great product for homeowners and woodworkers. At number 2. HomeRight C800766. If you are looking a pretty spray gun for professional to do your job, then this Hvlp model HomeRight Finish Max C800766 is for you. You can also use this one for base water material such as latex paint, milk paint, etc. It comes with a simplified and lightweight design, and you can get it out of the box. It doesn't even need a compressor to run. However, it's so easy that it made me paint all the furniture around the house, even the ones that didn't need to be repainted. Besides, this one saved you a lot of money, and if you compare the price of this one with other paint sprayers, you will see how cheap this model actually is. You can check the price on Amazon by clicking here. At number 3. Neiko 31216 Hvlp Gravity Feed Air Spray Gun. If you do not have a gun to go with your motor, or the cum that came with your kit leaves much to be desired, this is a spray gun that you can consider. There are 4 different Hvlp spray guns. The paint cup is 20 ounces and made of aluminium. Aluminium is a safe material that works with any kind of substance, and it's easy to clean. Also, this gun can be used for paint, stains, primers and more, and the nozzle is meant to last a long time, which is made of stainless steel, and containing a brass cap. All in all, this is a cheaply made Hvlp spray gun. Both the gun and the cup can easily bend, and you can easily break either just by stepping on it, or even running it over with your car. At number 4. Fuji Semi-Pro2 Best Overall Hvlp Spray Gun. This Semi-Pro2 that features an all-inclusive kit to help you get that professional-like finish every time. It comes with a 400cc cut capacity and a power capacity of 1400 watt. Still, the Semi-Pro2 comes with a 1.3mm air gap that allows it to thin paints. The gun is also compatible with different painting substances like latex, varnishes, stains, etc. It features a dedicated fan control that lets you adjust the pattern size as per the needs. With a dedicated non-bleed system on the Semi-Pro2, you'll be able to prevent the paint from dripping, particularly from the nozzle. Plus, this unit is its 25-foot hose, enabling you to paint large surfaces, or your kitchen cabinets, without moving the base around. The Semi-Pro2 is quite easy to disassemble. Also, it is built with stainless steel, making it more durable. Besides, you also get a 2-year warranty, so you can get a replacement if it doesn't work. Though the Semi-Pro2 is quite noisy, it prefers working in a quiet environment. At number 5. Earlex 5500 Sprayer. Earlex is a famous brand known for producing top-grade mid-price spray guns. This model from Earlex will serve the needs of every automotive enthusiast as well as light contractors efficiently. Also, this Earlex 5500 is ideal for workshop use or repainting fences or even interior decorating. It can spray flawlessly without dripping any paint substance off its nozzle. It comes with a turbine of 650 watt that allows you to achieve a professional-like finish. With this gun, you can spray flawlessly on small medium-sized surfaces like furniture, cars, decks, cabinets, doors, and more. Moreover, this spray gun comes with a 1-quart container that's finely coated with Teflon, making it non-stick and preventing any paint from sticking inside the container. You also get a 2-year warranty.